This is going to be a video tutorial on how to delete your data on Signal. I will be using the desktop app on a PC for this. Let me jump over to Signal here. I have the Signal desktop app opened up now. To delete your data in Signal, you first want to go to Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left-hand corner, down to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on that. Then the pane on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to the one that says Privacy. Click on Privacy. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways, down to where you see it says Delete Application Data. It says this will delete all data in the application, removing all messages and saved account information. You would go off to the right, click on Delete Data. A little dialog box pops up. It says delete all data and messages from this version of Signal Desktop. Your Signal account and data on your phone or other linked devices will not be deleted. You would click on delete data, and that is how to delete your data in the Signal app. Thanks for watching.